Welcome to the channel. Want to get rich in 2025? It's possible if you make the right financial decisions. In today's video, we'll break down the smartest strategies that can help you build wealth this year. If you're ready to change your financial future, stay tuned. The first step to getting rich is smart budgeting. You can't build wealth without knowing where your money is going. In 2025, take control of your finances by tracking every dollar. Use budgeting tools like Mint, YNAB, or even simple spreadsheets to keep tabs on your income and expenses. Once you know where your money is going, you can start cutting unnecessary expenses. Save more, and spend less. This simple habit will lay the foundation for all of your wealth-building efforts. Next, invest in index funds. If you want a hands-off investment that provides solid returns, index funds are the way to go. They track the performance of entire markets, like the S&P 500, which has delivered an average annual return of about 7% after inflation over the long term. Index funds are low cost, and require little effort on your part, making them perfect for building wealth in 2025. Whether you invest monthly or lump sums, this strategy will pay off in the long run, and it's one of the safest ways to grow your money. Another smart decision is real estate investing. In 2025, the real estate market is showing signs of a strong rebound, with home prices and rents expected to rise. Whether you choose to invest in physical properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs, this can be a lucrative way to grow your wealth. Real estate is a proven wealth-building asset. By purchasing properties, renting them out, or investing in REITs, you can earn passive income while also benefiting from property value appreciation over time. The next strategy is to focus on passive income. In 2025, building streams of income that require little ongoing effort is one of the smartest ways to build wealth. Whether it's through dividends from stocks, affiliate marketing, creating online courses, or even renting out your assets, the key is creating income that works for you while you sleep. The more passive income streams you have, the more your wealth will grow with less effort. Start small with 1 or 2 streams, and as your income increases, reinvest those earnings into more passive opportunities. It's crucial to take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Contributing to accounts like IRAs, 401ks, and HSAs not only saves you money on taxes, but also gives you a boost in your retirement savings. These accounts grow tax-free, or tax-deferred, which can make a huge difference in the long run. Maximizing your contributions to these accounts every year is one of the easiest ways to ensure you're making the most of your income. The earlier you start, the more you'll benefit from compound growth, which is a critical factor in building wealth. Finally, invest in yourself. This is one of the most overlooked, yet powerful ways to get rich. In 2025, focus on improving your skills, learning new ones, and expanding your knowledge. Whether it's taking courses in finance, business, or entrepreneurship, the more you know, the more you can earn. Investing in education, networking, and personal growth is the most valuable investment you can make. By becoming more valuable in your career or business, you'll position yourself to earn more and grow your wealth. Getting rich in 2025 isn't about luck, it's about making smart, informed financial decisions. Start by budgeting wisely, investing in index funds, exploring real estate, creating passive income streams, utilizing tax-advantaged accounts, and investing in your personal growth. With the right strategies in place, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom. Ready to start your wealth-building journey? Subscribe for more tips on how to make smart financial moves in 2025 and beyond.